This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a provisional patent. First, understand that a provisional application secures an early filing date for your invention. It gives you 12 months to develop your idea further and prepare a more formal non-provisional application. This initial step is less formal, requiring no claims or inventor declarations, making it a cost-effective way to establish your priority. To prepare your application, begin by thoroughly describing your invention. Include detailed drawings that illustrate its various aspects. Make sure to list all inventors and their specific contributions. Your description must be clear enough for someone skilled in the art to understand and replicate your invention. Organize all these documents carefully before proceeding to the next step. Next, you'll file your application using the USPTO electronic filing system, known as EFSWeb. You'll need to complete a cover sheet providing essential details about your invention. Then, upload your prepared specification, drawings, and any other supporting documents. Finally, pay the required filing fee. Remember, this fee can vary depending on whether you are a micro, small, or large entity. After successfully filing, you will receive an official filing receipt, which includes your application's serial number. Your provisional application remains confidential for its entire 12-month lifespan. During this period, you can confidently mark your invention with patent pending. Remember, you must file a non-provisional patent application within 1 year from your provisional filing date to maintain your priority.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.